Hi, Olivet Church. It's the Barron family, almost live from Fonda, New York, and we are so glad that we can be with you there in spirit, at least on this special day. And we wanted to take just a minute to tell you about what we're all doing here, and also share some of our fondest memories from when we were there.
Hi, I'm Solomon, and I just graduated from first grade. I'm going into second grade, and I got done with T-ball a few days ago.
Hi, it's Lydia. I just graduated from preschool and I'm going into first grade, kindergarten.
Hi, it's Kim, and this is Clementine. She's the newest member of our family. She's about 6 weeks old. She was born on May 13th, and she's doing really well. And I'm working at St. Mary's Hospital in the ER, and I'll go back there in a couple of weeks. One of the things that I remember the most about Olivet is the Vacation Bible School. That was a lot of fun for us, those 2 summers that we were there. We're just getting ready to have Vacation Bible School here in Fonda. And I've had a lot of fond memories of working with Jerry and with Grandma Gruters and with a lot of you other people there. It was a great couple of weeks that we had there.
And some of my fondest memories are the Monday morning staff meetings with Carol and with Becky and Brian. Every Monday we'd sit down and we'd pray through the church directory. And just some wonderful moments together during those times. And I also remember the baptisms, baptizing little Cody and Natalie and Jerry and Roger and Whitney and Wyatt and little Parker. Special memories for me. I loved the servant evangelism times that we had. Thinking especially of that first time when Pat Crandall went and brought a couple bags of groceries to a lady who needed them so bad. And when Pat showed up at her door, she said that she thought God had sent an angel. She just couldn't stop hugging him. And just watching Pat get so excited about just seeing how God could use him in that way was so exciting for me. I also remember during Easter season for those 7 weeks when people from Olivet would stand up and share their testimony, what it meant for them that Jesus was raised from the dead. So many good memories, and also just that Olivet was my first call as a solo pastor, and thinking about how much I learned during those 2 years. Valuable lessons that have really shaped me in powerful and profound ways. Lessons that I am so forever thankful for. Thankful to God, but also thankful to Olivet for helping me become the pastor that I am today. So thank you, Olivet, and we want everybody at Olivet to always remember you are a child of God. Bye-bye.